Okay, now we are able to fetch all the products by category, right? So the next step is we need to list down all the categories here, so that whenever we click on a particular category, it will bring us all the products by that category. Okay, so for this we will be using a Python function called context processors. Okay, so this is just a Python function, and okay, I'll show you that, so that I'll explain you. Okay, so let's just go to this code editor here. Let me first close all these tabs. So just go to this category apps and right click and create a new file and name it as context underscore processors .py. Okay, so this is just a Python function. It takes a request as an argument and it will return the dictionary of data, okay, as a context. So let me show you how it works. First of all, let's create a function called menu links. Okay, let's just pass in this request. So here what we are going to do is we are going to fetch all the categories from the database. Okay, so let's say links is equal to category model dot objects dot all. Okay, because we need all the categories, right? So that's why we need, let's say, all, and then return dict links equal to links. Okay, so what it will do is it will bring all the categories list and it will store them into this links variable. Okay, so that we can use these links wherever we want. Okay, so since we use this category, we just need to bring them in from dot models import category. Okay, so let's close this. Since we are using the context processor, we are going to tell the this templates that we are using context processor. So here we need to say category dot context processor dot the function name. Okay, here it is, this one. Just copy and paste it. So by adding this here, what will happen is we will be able to call this, use this menu links in any templates we want. Okay, so this menu links will be available in all the templates. So that's the reason we used this context processors. Okay, so once this is done, let's go to this the home page. Here it is. Oh, sorry, not home page. We should go to the includes and navbar, right? So because that's where the categories are. Here I think we don't need all these things. Okay, let's just delete them. Only let's keep only one. So here let's make a for loop for category in the links. Okay, the dictionary is the links, so that's why we put links. And let's close this for loop and for. Okay, so now here just delete this one and let's say category dot the category name. Right, so here it is, this one. We are accessing this category name. Copy this and just paste this here so that it will bring all the list of categories. Let's just refresh. Let's see. Okay, so everything is fine now. Okay, so this click functionality is still not working, but we just listed all the categories. Okay, so let's just go back to this page, and here in this place what we are going to do is we just need to bring the slug of the category, right? Slug of this particular category. So for this what we will do is we will make a function called we can say get URL or get slug, it will be just a custom custom function, so that returns all the category slug. So for now we will say category underscore get category dot get slug. Okay, otherwise we will say get URL. Okay, so I think this makes sense, and this should be inside the double floor brackets here like this. So we don't have this get URL function yet. Let's just go to the category apps and models. Okay, here after this meta, let's create one more function called def get URL, and we need to pass self because we are making a function inside the this thing, the model, right? So that's why return. So here we are going to use a reverse function. So it will take the the name of the category slug. Okay, that is this one. When you go to the store and in the urls.py, we have the path name as products by category, right? Okay, so this one we are going to take. Okay, so copy that and paste it here, and comma, it will take args equal to self dot slug. Okay, so it is taking the self dot slug, that means category slug. Okay, so this function will bring us the the URL of that particular category. So we have used the reverse function, that's why we are going to bring that in from Django dot URLs import reverse. Let's just save this and go back to the page here. So let's refresh. I think something is wrong. Let's go to the console. Class meta got invalid attributes, get URL. Where it is? Oh, sorry, this shouldn't be here inside this class. Okay, it should be outside of this class meta. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. So I did not notice that it should be here in this level. Okay, now save this and let's see. Class meta got I think let's stop the server and python manage.py run server, reload. Okay, so we have this thing, category names, and when I click on this t-shirt, okay, so this is bringing us the links of the particular the category. So when I click on the jeans, it is bringing the jeans, and when I click on jackets, it is bringing us the jackets. Okay, so that's that's pretty simple, and let me go to, it should be working everywhere in the page. Choose. So all right, so that's working, and we also need to we need to list down all the categories here in the products store page also. We'll do that in the next one.